Example 2.12. 5 resistors are connected in the configuration as shown in the figure. Calculate the equivalent resistance between the points A and B. Now this is how the resistances are connected. Okay. Now we have to find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. For that we are going to assume the current is entering the junction A. Okay. Now this is an outer loop. Okay. So all the resistances in the outer loop are same. Okay. So the current in the branches AC and AB should be what? Equal. So this and this will be what? Equal. Okay. AC and AD should be what? Equal. So the potential at C and the potential at D are what? Same. The potential at C and the potential at D are same. So no current is flowing through CD. No current is flowing through what? CD. So the resistance 5 ohm is not having any role in determining the equivalent resistance. It don't have any role to find out the equivalent resistance. No. So leaving this 5 ohm resistant, I can simplify the diagram as. So I can redraw like this. Okay. So now for my convenience, I am going to write this as R1, this is R2, this is R3 and this is R4. Okay. Now R1 and R2 are parallel and R3 or R4 are parallel. So I am going to find out the equivalent resistance. So I am going to write R1 and R2 are parallel. So 1 by R parallel 1, which is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. So how much? 1 by RP1 is equal to 2. So what is RP1? RP1 is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, R3 and R4 are parallel. So I can write 1 by RP2 is equal to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. So 1 by RP2 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. This is also again 2. So it is 1 by RP2 is equal to 1, 2. So RP2 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Now I can go for drawing the equivalent diagram for this again. So this is like this. So this is RP1, this is RP2. So this is having what? 1 by 2 ohm. This is having what? 1 by 2 ohm. Okay. Now RP1 and RP2 are connected in series. RP1 and RP2 are connected in series. So R equivalent is equal to RP1 plus RP2. So what is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? That is nothing but what? 1 ohm. So your R equivalent resistance is equal to 1 ohm. So we can draw the equivalent diagram as what? Here only one resistance, that is your R equivalent, which is having what? 1 ohm. This is having what? 1 ohm.